In a magical land far, far away, there lived a little boy named Maui. He was not an ordinary boy, for he had a heart full of courage and a spirit wild and free. One day, Maui woke up with a dream in his heart. He wanted to find the lost stars that had vanished from the night sky. He believed that with his bravery, he could bring them back. Maui packed his bag with food, water, and his trusty slingshot. He said goodbye to his family and set off on his grand adventure. The sun was shining bright, and the birds were singing their sweetest songs. As Maui journeyed through the dense jungle, he encountered a fearsome tiger. Maui didn't run away. Instead, he stood tall and spoke to the tiger kindly. The tiger, moved by Maui's bravery and kindness, allowed him to pass. Next, Maui came across a deep, dark river. He knew he had to cross it to continue his quest. Using his slingshot, he managed to catch a fish that was swimming in the river. He tied the fish to a vine and swung across the river, just like Tarzan. Finally, Maui reached the top of a towering mountain. He climbed and climbed until he reached a cave. Inside the cave, he found the lost stars, shimmering and beautiful. Maui carefully picked up each star and placed them back in the sky. As he did, the night sky became brighter and brighter. The stars twinkled and winked at him, thanking him for his bravery. Maui returned home, tired but happy. His family welcomed him with open arms. They were so proud of him for his brave adventure. From that day on, Maui was known as Maui, the Brave. And every night, when you look up at the night sky, remember the story of Maui, the Brave, and let his bravery inspire you to be brave too. Good night.